And hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. So today we will be looking at deleting data from a database. How much battery do I have? So sometimes you want to just remove some data because maybe there's duplicates, or maybe these people are no longer customers. Or maybe, let's say you're talking about a school and the people in the school no longer attend the school. They passed matric, they're done. What you can do then is you can delete their data. So let's say we want to delete this guy at customer ID 1. What we can do is we can say delete from, and in the table name, in this case, customers, and then just where. And here we can specify customer ID, which is 1. Now, if we were to just remove that, just remove that, run it, one row affected, Control Z and remove this. As you can see, it now starts at 2 because that entire row has just been removed. You can also remove more than one thing by, you can remove multiple places. Let's say you no longer have customers in Mexico, for example. So what you can do is you can say where country is Mexico. Now if we just remove this and we run this SQL statement, 5 people that lived in Mexico are no longer customers. We can run this, and as you can see, there is no longer people in Mexico that are customers of our place or whatever we are. Also, you can delete everything from a database. So let's actually go to suppliers for a second. So you can say delete from, and then suppliers, which is the table name, where 1 equals 1, and this will just delete everything. So if you say run, all 29 rows has been affected, and if we were to remove this, as you can see, there's no result because there's no longer anything in this table. Let's now go to order details. As you can see, there's a lot of order details. Let's say you want to delete everything from this. Then what you can do is here, instead of saying delete from suppliers where 1 equals 1, you can actually just remove this where, and you can just say order details. And this will automatically just delete everything. So all 518 rows has been affected. So if I'm going to click on that so it shows me anything, it says no result when I say select all. So yeah, you actually kind of just learned how to do a little bit of a SQL injection. SQL injection. That's basically what they use. That's how they delete your data. They just say select or delete from and then the table name. And then boom, you have nothing left. But anyways, that's how you delete things from database. That is fairly easy though. I hope you all enjoyed, and see you all in the next video.